Whoa, did you guys see this thing? Take a look. Brand new Akrapovic slip-on. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, this is the guidebook to installing your slip-on Akrapovic exhaust. Are you ready? Now, believe it or not, this slip-on Akrapovic pipe adds tons of usability to this motor. It really provides an unrestricted throttle response that is unmistakable.